Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of Active Directory Domain Services, or ADDS. Let's start with an introduction to ADDS. ADDS is a directory service created by Microsoft. Think of it as a phone book for your network. It's a key part of Windows Server operating systems. ADDS helps manage network resources and users from one central place. This makes administration easier and boosts security. It organizes everything into domains, trees, and forests. Fun fact, a forest can contain multiple trees. ADDS uses the Kerberos protocol for secure authentication. This ensures only the right people can access sensitive data. Centralized resource management with Active Directory. Active Directory simplifies IT administration by centralizing network resource management. Admins can manage user accounts, groups, and computers from one console. This saves time and reduces errors by eliminating manual configurations. ADDS controls access based on user roles. Grouping users allows efficient permission assignments. ADDS simplifies software deployment and updates. Admins can push updates to multiple computers at once. It integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products. Section 3. Security and Group Policies in Active Directory. Security is a paramount concern in any network environment, and Active Directory offers robust features to enhance network security. One of the key security features is Group Policy. Group Policy allows administrators to define and enforce security settings across the network. Administrators can use Group Policy to configure password policies, account lockout settings, and other security measures. This ensures that all users adhere to the organization's security standards. For instance, administrators can enforce strong password requirements and limit login attempts to prevent unauthorized access. ADDS also provides auditing capabilities to track user activities and changes made to the directory. This audit trail helps identify potential security breaches and provides evidence for compliance audits. By monitoring user actions, administrators can detect suspicious activities and take appropriate measures. Moreover, ADDS supports single sign-on (SSO) capabilities. SSO allows users to access multiple applications and resources with a single login. This eliminates the need for users to remember multiple usernames and passwords, improving user experience and reducing the risk of password-related security breaches. Scalability and replication in Active Directory. Active Directory scales seamlessly for organizations of all sizes. From small networks to large enterprises, ADDS handles the load. ADDS uses a multi-master replication model for high availability. Domain controllers replicate directory data among themselves. If one fails, others continue providing services without interruption. Changes on one controller propagate quickly to others, ensuring consistent directory data, even in dispersed environments. ADDS is ideal for distributed networks and growing organizations. It accommodates new users and resources without compromising performance. Section 5. Real-world applications and benefits of Active Directory. Active Directory finds widespread adoption across various industries and organizational contexts. Its versatility and comprehensive features make it an indispensable tool for businesses of all sizes. In small businesses, ADDS simplifies IT administration by providing a centralized platform for managing users, computers, and resources. This allows small IT teams to efficiently manage their network infrastructure without the need for complex and costly solutions. Large enterprises benefit from the scalability and security features of ADDS. With its hierarchical structure and robust security mechanisms, ADDS enables large organizations to manage complex network environments with thousands of users and devices securely. ADDS also plays a crucial role in facilitating compliance with industry regulations. Its auditing and security features help organizations meet the requirements of regulations such as HIPAA, SOX, and GDPR. Section 6. Conclusion. The importance of Active Directory in modern networks. In today's interconnected world, Active Directory Domain Services has become an essential component of modern network management. Its ability to centralize resource management, enhance security, and ensure scalability makes it an invaluable tool for organizations of all sizes. By providing a single source of truth for all users and resources, ADDS simplifies its administration, reduces costs, and improves overall network security. Its robust features and seamless integration with other Microsoft products make it a comprehensive solution for managing modern IT infrastructures. As organizations continue to rely heavily on their network infrastructure, the importance of Active Directory will only continue to grow. Its ability to adapt to evolving security threats and meet the demands of increasingly complex network environments ensures that it will remain a cornerstone of network management for years to come. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in mastering Active Directory.